Time to change the agitator teeth again. Ew. In my case, I use a 7/16 socket wrench. So, right here, you can see the plastic's been chipped off on the teeth. So all it takes is that little edge compared to a new one that I printed out, 3D printed out. See how it should have two. That's all that's breaking off. I believe this set lasted me about 5 months. I can't remember truly how long, but it was definitely a lot longer because I used full fill on the plastic this time, so it definitely lasted longer. Okay, put in my new set. Basically they just slide in and out. You can definitely tell a discoloration too. I'm wondering if it's the water affects it, chlorine or whatever in the water. So here's the reassembled agitator section. You can see at the edge how it's toothed, and you can see that 3D printed piece is locked into the teeth. That's all it does. And when one of those teeth breaks off, that's when it goes bad. Okay, we're all back assembled. We have a working agitator again. Do yourself a favor if you want really clean clothes. Just go out, do this little simple spin check. It should only spin one way. If it spins both ways, you have this problem and you need to fix it if you want clean clothes.